Mirror. And that was polka dots. Oh, I forgot the cones.
Can you read that?
Yeah, you can read the small one.
Okay.
And I will read the big one. Okay?
Okay.
The violet moon lay on a leaf.
Good.
And she was still hungry. Said, sure Stacy ate 2 crumbs, but she was still hungry. She ate cupcake and a big carrot and a slice of this. And a slice of cheese and lollipop. And they do like lollipops. I don't like lollipops.
I know.
Because they're sour. And I don't like them. Oops. Savannah has a caterpillar, and she was a big fat caterpillar. And she was a beautiful butterfly.
Good job, honey.
You can't read much of this. Do you have one on here? No?